Hi! In this video, I will tell you about Festfloor Titan Microcement, which is characterized by increased hardness and resistance to damage. This product is dedicated to heavily used surfaces, floors in hallways, kitchens, and living rooms. It also works well on stairs and in bathrooms, as well as in spaces such as garages or commercial facilities. What sets Festfloor Titan apart from other Festfloor systems? First, its hardness. Thanks to the use of a special hardener, the microcement achieves exceptional durability. Second, its resistance to damage. Festfloor Titan is a great choice for surfaces that are exposed to intensive use. And third, it offers high resistance to water. Just like the HydroFest system, Festfloor Titan does not require full waterproofing. How do you apply the two-component Festfloor Titan microcement? The product consists of Festfloor Titan compound, already tinted during production, and Titan hardener. The ingredients should be mixed in a ratio of 100 to 16, 100 parts of component A to 16 parts of component B. To adjust the consistency, you can add between 1 and 4% water relative to the total weight of both components. Festfloor Titan microcement, like our other systems, should be applied in 2 layers on a previously primed and reinforced substrate. The compound should be spread over the entire surface using a trowel at a thickness not exceeding 1 millimeter. After applying the first layer of microcement, we leave it to dry for around 12 to 24 hours. Then we sand the entire surface with a grinder using a 50 grit diamond pad and vacuum it thoroughly. We apply the second layer in the same way as the first one. After 12 to 24 hours, we sand it and vacuum. Additionally, it's worth sanding the second layer with a sanding mesh of grit 120, depending on the desired effect. After this stage, we move on to impregnating the microcement with an appropriate sealer, and that's all. Do you have any questions? Leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming soon.